Hi, hello, Dr.Stocks viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to see about an investment idea which will help us to save our capital, and it is going to be a time horizon of around very close to 5 to 8 years. We're going to see about this idea very detailedly. So the investment idea which I am going to speak today is about the sovereign gold bond scheme. So here, the value of investment would be around very close to 1 gram, so the value would be around very close to 5067 at the moment. So it is a serious set of investments which our government of India is giving. So it is coming very close to 6 tenures. So it is like 6 times the government of India is giving these things, and right now it is the last tenure for investments in 2020. So moving on with the advantages of this. So in this platform, when you apply, when we are doing it with the physical and when we do it with ETF and other forms, so here you will be getting an advantage of around your safety, that it is something like you will be keeping these things in a locker without any some other extra amount. It is like you can hold the same in the and here you will be given an advantage of dividend of around 2.5% from your the amount invested. That is, for every 5,000 you will be getting around very close to 125 rupees. So moving on with the benefits here, and moving on with the specialty of gold. So here main specialty of gold is it is going to be a mono play in all our functions. When you check our relatives or when you check our close friends functions, right? So we are giving something in a form of gold. So that is a tradition where we are following for very close to a century and more than that. So here, when we are doing this practices, so it means that very clearly we are doing it in the form of gold. What are the other options? There is an option called silver and there is an option called platinum. So what is the contribution of other things when compared with gold? So almost very close to 80 to 85% we are doing it in the way of gold. So that means that traditionally we have a higher presence of gold getting double, since we are practicing this as a whole humans apart from all other things. So that is one of the key advantage of gold when we took up as a long term. Moving on with the historical prices. So this historical prices will be in the form of 10 grams of gold invested in a value of around 24 carat. Okay, so the 24 carat value of 10 gram of gold in the year 2000 is around very close to 4400, which is now very close to 50,000. So it is almost coming very close to 2000% return on investment. So now moving on with the 8 years time frame, 2000 to 2008. So in 2000 it is very close to 4400 rupees. In 2008 it is very close to 12,500 rupees. That means we are into a return of investment of around very close to 180%. When we compare this with 2008 to 2016, 2008 the value of 10 gram of 24k is around very close to 12,500. So in the year 2016 it is very close to 26,500. So almost it is coming very close to 120%. When we compare this, when we started this SGB, right? So that is in the year 2015. During that times it is very close to 24,000. Right now it is very close to 50 plus. So it means that we are getting very close to 80% at the moment. So it means that this is getting doubled and return of investment is going in a very good way. That is what we can see from this gold as an investment. So what is the plan here is, so as we people are having some plan to invest, right? So we are finding out a way, so which way can help us on all the things, right? So in this way, so what we can do here is, so your capability of investing some amount, and that need to be a long term horizon like 5 to 8 years, then you can try to opt to this fund. So that will be helping you in a much beneficial way. So right now the SGB is going to be the last for this year. So that would be coming up from today till 4th, that is the end of that would be coming up from today till 4th, that is the end of this week. So try to have it as an investment idea from now, right? Any investment idea which is having a safe capital, so will be delivered here as a video for you guys all. So if you like the content which we are sharing now today, so if you feel that this is going to be a good investing idea, so try to share this with your friends and family and keep supporting us for very new contents coming you on the way. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.